Don't you just love the taste of a fresh green salad whenever you go out to eat? I know I do, and just thinking about it makes my mouth water. Not to mention the fact that my husband and I are trying to eat better. But let's face it, making your own salad bar for every single meal could be a bit time consuming. And with all the cutting and other prep work, it's just overwhelming. If you're like me, you start thinking about what to make for dinner right about dinner time. So I decided in order to have fresh green salad, I needed to make fresh green salad readily available. I thought about having a salad bar at home in our fridge. That way we'll have fresh green salad available any time of the day in less than just a few minutes. All I needed to start were a few containers. These containers can be any type that you have on hand. I just liked these because they stack well. And right now we're in an apartment that has a small fridge, so anything I can do to help with fridge space is a necessity. Next, I prep the toppings that will go in each container. For the containers that I'm refilling, I empty those, wash them, and then refill them to make sure that the ingredients I took out are put back on top so they get used first. I only cut up a small portion of lettuce at a time so that I don't have any issues with it turning brown. I make sure to wash all the fresh ingredients and then I just refill each container. My husband uses the pineapple juice as his salad dressing, so that's why I don't drain the pineapple. I love this little tool for cutting up olives. It makes that process go so fast. It also works great on cherry tomatoes. I just didn't have any on hand today. I've also recently found this cheese grater that makes grating cheese so simple and so easy. I was able to grab some cherry tomatoes before this video posted, so I thought I'd just add on here and show you how this tool works on those. So fill your containers with whatever you love, and then your fresh green salad will be waiting for you whenever you're hungry. Thanks for watching.